Chegg is an educational technology company with offices in India, Israel, US, London, Madrid. The mission of Chegg is to provide students with best level of education from school and beyond. We have around 2,000 plus employees and around 6.6 million Chegg subscribers. Before using BrowserStack, we were maintaining different web drivers for different web browsers manually. There was no automation in it, and we used to run our automation depending on the number of web drivers which are available in the market. It was a quite big problem because Chegg has students across all US and Canada and use Chegg on different platforms, on different web browsers, whether it's Mac, whether it's Windows, it's a mobile phone or a tablet. So we need to make sure that our product is accessible on all different platforms. So it becomes a challenge if we do not have a cross-browser testing, which is convenient for the engineers to do. The different parameters on which we shortlisted BrowserStack would be the number of different browsers available, what all platforms does it support, then how soon we get the updated version of these browsers, number of parallel test cases which can be executed to save the build timing, how efficiently we can debug the logs to identify if there's a bug, how efficiently we can do a local testing when the feature is not deployed on the production, and how easily we can switch the web browsers without making much of a code change in the automation. The way teams at Chegg use BrowserStack is they integrate it with their automation test, their smoke test, integration test, their regression test, and they run it on different platforms. For example, Google Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, or iOS, and with different features turned on and off to make sure that all these things are working fine on different web browsers. There are few tests, there are few I would say infrastructure as well as the application level test which cannot be done on a simulation. I would say one of the benefits of using BrowserStack is that they have real device farm which can help us validate stuff, validate test cases on real devices to ensure that yes, this would be working in real time. There have been a lot of incidents in which BrowserStack team has stepped up and helped us. And being honest, we are pretty demanding on the feature side. So we are always after them for new features. And I would say that they've always been kind enough to accommodate our feature request. But the best part of BrowserStack, which I can count here, is the 100% availability and uptime. We want to use technologies which can be plugged and played, can be used at any point of time whenever it's required across the globe. It's not something which is available in a one single region. We want to target as much audience as we can. We want to help out as many students as we can. And having these kind of setups, which are very, very easy to, I would say, implement, that helps an organization a lot.